Okay, you have to sit. Sit. Oh, good boy. Good job, you guys. One for Mufasa. One for Atlas. They're smaller than I thought they would be, but it's okay. They actually smell good. This is duck and beef and chicken, duck and beef. Oh my gosh, Mufasa! Say hi. Be nice, okay? Oh my goodness! You've never seen goats before. Do they like hire these? Alright, we have to go to your appointment. We'll see if they're here when we get back, okay? You're just gonna have a fast checkup at the vet, okay? Poor thing. I'm sorry, Mufasa, that we're gonna have to get your balls chopped. It's good for your health, though. Don't get scared. Hi, mamas. So exciting. I've been waiting for this package the whole week, and I'm still waiting for my Labubu, but that's gonna ship on August 3rd, I believe. I can't believe this is in my hands right now. This is a Loveliness Never Ends series. I'm gonna get either Mimi or Nini or Bin Bin. The secret is 1 in 72. We'll see what we got. He's like, I'm cute. What are you talking about? You're the cutest boo-boo. The secret is also super cute. It's a cat. I don't like cats, but it's really cute. I mean, I really like this cat, this black cat. I like this sheep or this bear. I'm doing it. So cute! This is the one I wanted. They have 3 different eyes. Oh my gosh, so cute, so soft. This is so pretty. Nommis are so cute. I can't wait for my Labubu too, but I understand the craze. Like, you want to open up the blind box. You want to see what you got. You want to see like how lucky you got. Got the seafood boil from Trader Joe's. Let's see how it's gonna taste. It looks delicious. That looks really good. He's really, truly here for my food. This is a 13-year-old CD reader. Isn't that wild? I love you, Samsung. This is a wonderful product. 13 years. Wow. Thank you so much. It still works amazing. Really pretty. I don't know why, but every day Mufasa wakes me up around 12 or 1 a.m. I'll make some tea and then go back to sleep. We have the same talks every night. He looks all innocent now, but he was screaming just 5 minutes ago. It's 2 a.m. in the morning. Thank you, Mufasa. I also have yerba. I don't know what to do now. I want palm juice now though. Really big paws here, boo-boo. Hi. Hi, my handsome boy. You're so handsome, Atlas. This broth is so delicious. And this is a brisket soup. This has brisket and rare beef. How do you feel about getting neutered tomorrow? Oh! Do you know what's happening? You're a big baby. I have a neighbor from the Andes Mountains. He's from Peru. And literally, like, isn't that crazy? He's from the Andes Mountains. Like, his family lives on the mountain. He said his mom sent him some snacks. He wanted to share it with me. Rita's home. I wonder if I can find it on Google Maps. Alright, let's try them out. We have this in Turkey. We call it flour cookie. It's powdery like this, and it's super, super soft. It melts in your mouth. They have caramel inside. We're here. It's 7:30 a.m. Are you ready? I'm gonna drop you off. This is how Atlas asks for pets. This is just his way of saying, hey, I need to be petted. Or sometimes he does this after I give him something really like yummy, or he's just really happy, then he does this again. He just wants to, like, I think it's a way of saying thank you to me. And he will let you know. He will bark. he will be like, woo, and until you look at him and you go towards him, he will stay that way, right? And he will get all his pets. Oh, my beautiful angel. Hi baby, shall we get you out from this side? I think it's gonna be easier, huh? Come on baby. Oh my god. Mufasa, you have to walk, buddy. Mufasa is home. It was really hard to get him here, but we did it. Oh, my baby boy. This is his little goodie bag. It's a pretty good size. These are like the invoice, and then how to take care of him afterwards, like what to expect after surgery. This whole thing was $1,098. It was pretty good, to be honest with you, because I called someone and they quoted me $2,000 for the surgery itself. And this whole thing includes, you know, the collar, the microchip. Oh, I also got a microchip done, so that's apart from the surgery, but that was $77. Let me know how much it costs in your country, because US can be crazy with prices, and then everybody prices it differently, however they want. This is his little card for microchip with his number and everything, and it's compliant with the international numbers as well. And then he has 2 meds for pain, one for inflammation, one for pain specifically, and that's about it.